Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is DevTrend. Today, I am going to do an updated tutorial for my second OBS video. Today I am going to show you how to separate your audio signals in OBS for desktop audio, microphone, and monitoring. Please consider subscribing if you would like to see more tutorials or perhaps make a suggestion on what you like to see more of. Thank you. And now on to the tutorial. Step 1. Go to the link in the description. Download and install both softwares, then restart your system. Step 2. Setting up desktop audio inputs and their bitrate. Navigate to Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Manage Audio Devices. In the Playback tab, scroll down and click on Cable Input. Then go to Properties. In here go to Advanced tab. Under Default Format, change the setting to 16-bit at 48,000 Hz. Click OK and apply. Also, apply the same settings in the Recording tab. Now set your default audio input to voice meter auxiliary. Also, click OK and apply. Note, both voice meter inputs are the same, but only one can be used at a time. Now all desktop audio signals will go through this input. Step 3. Routing voice meter outputs into virtual cable input and to be monitored. Now open voice meter. To learn the interface, you can click on the link in the description where it says Interface Info. And you will be taken straight to that specific part of information. Now click on the hardware output, A1, and set the device you wish to use for monitoring. In my case, I will be using my WDM independent dual headphones. Now, to send the audio signal to A1 hardware out, click A1 from desktop, and the signal now goes to my headphones. I only want A1 in the master fader section to only be used for monitoring, so leave as is. And click A1 again to stop monitoring from the headphones. Next set hardware output A2 to MME cable input, so it may be separated from fader 1, which is A1. Next, you can also set up your microphone and have it also separate. Clicking on hardware input and select your preferred microphone. Now click on A2 to send the signal to hardware output, where it is set to MME cable input, on fader 2 in the master section. Now under hardware input 1, click and select WDM cable output, PP virtual cable, so I can send back to A1 for monitoring. To do that, click on A1, under hardware output 1. Note if you click on A2 you will hear a repeat of the signal, which you want to avoid. From here you can have a basic idea adding audio devices to your preferred preferences. Step 4. Setting up OBS audio signals. Open OBS, and click on Settings and go to Audio tab. In here disable all devices. For your monitoring, click on Monitoring Device and set it to Voice Meter Input VB, Audio Voice Meter Bio, which is the second channel in the software where I rename it to Monitoring. Same applies to Discord chat server. Set the input to your microphone and the output to Voice Meter Input VB, Audio Voice Meter Bio. Now you have options to monitor your live chat servers or send it out to your stream by clicking A2 under Monitor, which I have already renamed. All is now left to do is set your main scenes in OBS that you want audio to go out to your stream. To do this, go to your main scene. And under Sources, right-click and add Output Capture Audio, which in my case it's my desktop. Now double-click on it to change the device. And change the device to Cable Input VB, Audio Virtual Cable, which is the main audio output on A2 in hardware out. Now your desktop audio, microphone and monitoring are all separated, and you're all done. As for a bonus feature, you can map all buttons and faders to your Android or iOS device. To learn more about, click on the icon on the screen. I hope this tutorial helps you with your streaming setup. You can also use these basic steps to create a more advanced configuration that suits your preference. I appreciate your feedback on this video, which I can use to improve on future videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.